In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up and customizing your Chaldean Numerology Widget using the Divine API dashboard. This powerful widget provides personalized numerology insights based on your name and birth date, offering detailed readings on your life path, destiny, personality, and more. Additionally, you can customize the widget to include yearly predictions, providing users with a forecast of their upcoming years based on their numerology chart. By integrating this widget into your website, you'll offer your visitors a unique and engaging experience. Let's get started. First, log in to your Divine API dashboard. Open the login page in your browser, enter your registered email and password, and click Sign In. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard, where you can access all the available features. On your dashboard, look for the Widgets option in the left-hand menu and click on it. This will bring you to a list of widgets. Select Numerology, and then choose the Chaldean Numerology Widget to proceed to its customization panel. Now, let's integrate the widget into your website. The customization panel provides 3 integration options. You can use the script code snippet to embed the widget directly into your website's HTML, an iframe code for platform flexibility, or a WordPress shortcode for easy integration into WordPress pages or posts. Choose the option that suits your platform, copy the code, and paste it into your website's backend. This will make the widget live. Next, let's customize the widget to align with your branding. Start by creating a new setting by clicking plus Create New Setting, or edit an existing one. Name your configuration like Chaldean Numerology Custom for easy reference. You can personalize the design by selecting from pre-designed color themes like Serenity or Evergreen, or by customizing colors to match your brand. Choose fonts that suit your website's style, whether it's an elegant serif like Cormorant Garamond, or a modern sans serif like DM Sans. You can customize the main heading and subheading to align with the purpose of your widget. For instance, set the heading to Chaldean Numerology Explore Your Birth Chart to make it clear and engaging for your users. As a subheading, you could use something like Chaldean Numerology provides detailed insights based on your birth chart, revealing your astrological blueprint, life path, and future potential. This combination offers clarity and adds valuable context to help users understand the widget's purpose and benefits. Additionally, you can personalize the form heading and button label to guide users more effectively. For example, set the form heading to Get Chaldean Numerology to indicate the purpose of the form, and adjust the button label to say Get Your Report to encourage users to complete the action. Start by adjusting the width of your widget to fit perfectly on your web page. You can choose between small, medium, or large, depending on the space available and your design preferences. You can customize the yearly prediction feature by selecting the duration for the report, such as 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years. This allows users to receive personalized predictions for their chosen time period. The widget contains toggle options that allow users to customize their numerology report by enabling or disabling specific sections. These sections include zodiac, planet and number, luck, name number, birth number, missing number, and more. Reorder these sections to prioritize key insights. For instance, placing birth number and lucky colors at the top ensures users see the most impactful information first. Before finalizing, use the preview functionality to see how the widget will look on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. This ensures the design and content are consistent across all platforms. Once satisfied, click Save to store your changes. Then click the Back button to return to the widget overview, where you can copy the updated code for integration into your website. And that's it. You've successfully set up and customized your Chaldean Numerology widget. This powerful tool will add valuable numerology insights to your website, engaging visitors with personalized readings. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching and happy customizing.